Good morning. I got the first circle located roughly 18 inches from the center point. I just measured out. None of these are perfect circles, so it's a little hard to get them, and none of these are standard. Everything's fudged, so this is just getting it as best I could. Actually, right there, you can see that's hardly a circle, but it's roughly evenly distributed around the center and now secured in place with zip ties along with the center pieces, the big X up top of everything. So I got that center circle fixed. Now what I'm trying to do is set that outer circle, which is the trickiest. So I got these marks here, which are approximately marking the same distance out from the joint on each of those verticals, and I'm trying to align that big outer pipe with it. And it's like, you know, if I pull this one up here to align that, then another one over there goes out, or that one goes out, or that one goes out. I just can't get them all lined up. So I'm going to take a minute and think about it. I went ahead and figured out this thing here is about 2 fingers off the mark. So I went ahead and secured that all around, played a little, and this one's a little bit off, a little bit more than that, but it's about as aligned as I'm going to get it. So that outer circle is all aligned now. And then what I did was I took the distance from this fixed one to the center fixed one, and I needed 6 spaces. So I divided that, which varied, that measurement varied from 52 to 58. So on the 4 compass points, I measured out and split that into 6 sections and marked it roughly. So now I will align the rest of my circles to those marks, and that'll get me about as good as I'm going to get on this, because like I said, they're not perfect circles and everything's kind of fudged, but that'll be better than it was before. Before it was all over to one side, so this will be good. And there you go, that's a wrap, or a zip. Zip tied, everything is in place, evenly distributed to the extent I could, and secured. So let's get the view from the chair here. There you go. Okay, now I don't know if you remember any earlier roof views, but if you do, you'll see that's a lot more even looking as far as the distribution of my circles goes. So not bad, not bad. I'm pleased with that. I just hope it works. Happy day to you. So happy Sunday to you. And besides, it's football pretty soon, so I can put this all away till Monday.